There are lines and lines of people standing there with their keys and their address, and they're literally throwing their keys and their addresses into our vehicle, begging us to go in and save their animals. And this time around, there were fewer living animals that were locked in the houses. But there were some, and what a great feeling it was to save a life, to pull out an animal that was 45 to 60 minutes away from death.
Look so sad, the tears are in your eyes. Come on and come to me now. Don't be ashamed to cry. Let me see you through, 'cause I've seen the dark side too. When the night falls on you, you don't know to do. Nothing you confess could make me love you less. I'll stand by you, I'll stand by you. I won't let nobody hurt you. I'll stand by you. So if you're mad, get mad. Don't hold it all inside. Come on and talk to me now. Hey, what do you got to hide? I get angry too. Well, I'm a lot like you. When you're standing at the crossroads and don't know which path to choose, let me come along, 'cause even if you're wrong, I'll stand by you. I'll stand by you. I won't let nobody hurt you. I'll stand by you. Take me into your darkest hour, and I'll never desert you. I'll stand by you. When the night falls on you, baby, you're feeling all alone. You won't be on your own. I'll stand by you. I'll stand by you. I won't let nobody hurt you. I'll stand by you. Take me into your darkest hour, and I'll never desert you. I'll stand by you. Oh, I'll stand by you. I'll stand by you.
To be reunited is the greatest thing in the world.